So again, in this video, we're going to explain how to generate a tone. We're going to be tracing a cable in the server room. So assuming this wall plate is not labeled, so this board is not labeled, and you want to trace the cable. So let's say you connected this Ethernet cable to a computer, and there's no network connection. So what you're going to do, you can use the tone generator, which is this device here. You can put it down here. You can put that device, and then you connect one end to the port in the wall and the other end to the tone generator, and then you click on scan, not test. So you're going to be scanning that device. So you're going to leave that in here, and then you're going to bring the other device, which is the tone probe. So what happens here, this tone generator creates an audio tone that you can go into the server room using the other device, which is the tone probe, to be able to, so it's good. Once you hear the sound, so you wanted to know the cable behind the wall, where it's connected to. So let's say it's not labeled correctly in the server room into the patch panel, and you want to be able to trace it. You can use this tone generator and the probe to be able to trace that cable. So we're going to go ahead and go to the server room right now, and we're going to try to trace that cable. So now we know that that cable, the horizontal cable, is going up to this, going up to the wall, and going through the ceiling and coming down in the server room here. So you wanted to know which patch panel is it connected to. So assuming that it's not labeled correctly, and of course here it's labeled. You can see the label here that matches the work area. But let's assume this is not labeled, and you wanted to know which wire is coming from the work area into here. So you have to use that the probe to trace. So you're going to go ahead and you try to trace. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn that on, make sure that the probe is turned on, and on the side here. And of course it needs a battery, 9-volt battery. So, and once you do that, you're going to be able to push the test right there, and you're going to get it closer to the wire, right? So I can hear the sound. Unfortunately, this probe and the tone generator don't make a loud audio sound. You can see, actually let me raise up the audio right there. You can go up a little bit, and if you touch that, then you get closer, and so you're going to hold that, and then you're going to touch the probe into the wire until you find which one is the correct is the wire. There you go. So you're able to trace that. So now you're able to find out. If you touch another cable, the sound, you're not going to be able to hear the sound. So you just touch your, so this is. Now if you're going to touch another cable, random one, see that? You're not able, because this is not the same cable that is coming from the work area that we connected the tone generator to. So by hearing that sound, the audio tone that you generated from the tone generator, it will, that tone, that goes, that the audio sound will come through the wire. And with the tone probe, you should be able to trace that cable.